Hi everyone, it's McKenzie, your new homegirl. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a clean with me video for you. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. I have no one. Let's get started. And today I'm going to be cleaning my entire house. Every single room is a disaster. And it is the weekend, it is cold, it is snowy, so I'm staying in and cleaning the house. I hope this gives you motivation to do your own, get up off the couch on a weekend, have this playing on your phone or your computer, and get busy. Before I start cleaning, I always get all my supplies out. I get myself a drink, which the drink of choice is water with lemon. And I turn on my music. I always start in the kitchen and I always start with the dishes. What I'm doing is shaking off the water that's on the kids' cups and plates and sippy cups and lids and all that, because if I waited for them to dry in the dishwasher, I wouldn't ever get to it because they never dry. So I shake them off in the sink and then I put them to the side so they can dry, and then it only takes a couple minutes.
thought you were on my side, but now there's nobody by my side. I need you, I need you, I need you right now. Yeah, I need you right now.
most part, and if there are any drops left, I go ahead and dry them off with another towel because I'm super OCD about this. I don't like to put anything away with any bit of moisture on it. I wish I could just stick them in the dishwasher with no guilt, but I have done my research and I know how bad it is for your pans, especially if they're non-stick. It takes away from that, and so they don't last nearly as long, and we use our pans every day. We use them all the time because we are always cooking. I am finally finishing up the dishes and cleaning up the counters and putting everything that doesn't belong in the kitchen into that white basket. Now I'm on the dining room, which doesn't take nearly as long as the kitchen does. I just have to get everything out of there that doesn't belong, and then I spray down the table and the chairs, and I kind of let it sit for a couple minutes before I start scrubbing. That way it can have a chance to loosen up all the Play-Doh and old food and all that, and then I sweep, and then I'm on to the next room. This is our guest restroom. It's just a half size. It doesn't take long for me to do. I just clean off the countertop, I Windex the mirror, and then I Windex the sink faucet. I've realized through the years that is way easier than using a bathroom cleaner on it, and it leaves it looking very shiny and clean. And I go ahead and do the toilet. I clean off the back of the toilet because it collects a lot of dust, and I make sure there's enough toilet paper. I put a couple extra rolls on the back of the toilet, and I put out a fresh towel. This is our living room. This is where we watch TV and spend time together. This is where we spend most of our time when we are home. And excuse the Christmas tree. By the time you see this, it will be March, but I actually recorded this in January. You can see I'm a beginner. And we also don't have a coffee table in the room right now because I am currently working on it. It is going to be one of my furniture flips, so you'll have to stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.